front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app to use in this view in the background. When you're ready, tap on this icon at the top right corner of it and click on the tiny window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this window. If you want to make it tiny again, click on Home button or tap on those three dots and select this icon on the left. If you wish to move your window around, hold the same three dots and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use your app in full screen view, you can do that by dragging one of those corners all the way down, or by clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now to mute your app, you can click on the same three dots and click on the microphone icon. You can unmute it the same way. If you want to close your window, use this X at the top right corner, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!